playing in the silence, waiting for the siren signs, any signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray, should I pray, yeah, to myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reaction now. Not ready to tie, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Underneath our bad blood, we still got a sanctum home. Still at home, still at home, yeah. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance. And I would take those odds and break the broken, unsay these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reactions. I'm not ready to tie, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't say I wouldn't die for it. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be my Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these reckless words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reactions. I'm not ready to tie, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.
Well done, Charlotte. Well done. Louise?
Charlotte, honestly, I love your voice, and if I'm being honest, I think you've probably got one of the most refined vocals in the competition. But I don't want you to get too comfortable. You know, I still want you to challenge yourself. Show us different things that you can do. But your riffs are just absolutely perfectly executed every time. There was one section that was just slightly flat. But that was the only bit, and I'm just being picky because we want you to be the best you can be. But yeah, honestly, I just, like I say, I would like to see you kind of venture into something different, show us a different side of you. But that vocal was just absolutely beautiful. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think?
Yeah, you've got the kind of voice that sort of commands attention the second that you start to sing. You've got this lovely sort of soulful vibe, and yeah, I think you could sort of take any song and just make it yours. Your sound is that unique to you. I thought your riffs were so beautiful and so controlled, and they just come so effortless to you. You know, you don't even have to think about it. Your voice is that agile that it just moves so naturally. And I loved the fact that you did something really sort of stripped back, and just played with it. And it was just beautiful. There's not much else I can say about that. It was just a beautiful performance from you. Well done.
Yeah, Charlotte, I mean, I know you're not 100% well this week, but I must say, I'm sure I said it last week, but I want to say it again anyway. I'm just so glad that you've returned to this season. But I'm also glad that we have the categories now, and I'm also glad that we've paired you up with Kelly. And the reason I say this is I don't know how much you two have spoken so far over the last week, but if you haven't, I urge you to at least get in contact with each other and chat now, because whatever's, you know, I just think this is perfect. I think this is the perfect combination. I think you could really bounce and learn a lot. I really do. Just because the way you throw your voice, and I find Kelly's, that's how she sings and that's what she does. And I also noticed, like, this time round, what I'm seeing from last week and this week is you sound more passionate. Like there's a lot more passion coming through the way you're singing, and I'm enjoying that, and that's why I think it's even more perfect, because I find with you, Cal, is that that's how you sing. So I definitely think you're in the right place at the right time. Keep doing what you're doing. If I had to critique anything, what's going on with the slurs, Joe? If I had to critique anything, it would simply be nothing to do with your voice. It would be just these videos. Take advantage of how you come across in them. Take advantage of how you present yourself in them, how you perform them, just like you would treat being on the stage. Because I can see you more relaxed this season in how you come across. I can see that, and it's so nice to see. But I want to see that to its full potential, like it would be on a stage. Because we haven't got to see that, and I want to see that now from this season. But I 100% think you are one of the standouts in this whole thing this season. I really do, Charlotte. But I want you to put everything you got into your power to smash this season. I really wanted to do that. And again, song choices, advice, blah, blah, blah. Message Kelly. Kelly can do, you know, team up with little runs and see what you can come up with and things like that. I definitely think you want to take advantage of this full force, because I really do think it'll benefit you. Absolutely smashed it. I would say probably my favourite vocal of the night so far.